How to fix allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. So if you're facing a problem of allowing TikTok to access your camera and microphone, then here's a way. What you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and you need to go for apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and scroll down again and find the TikTok application on your settings. Once you find TikTok, tap and open up your TikTok and then go with permissions. Under permissions, if you have not allowed the access to your camera and microphone, then simply go and allow the access. So here you will have two sections, which is allowed and not allowed, right? So if you have your camera and microphone under not allowed section, then you just need to simply tap on that option and then tap on allow. And once you allow your access to camera and microphone, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.